Yo, what's going on, guys? This is Adam B. Signing back to you, aka Lil Chubby in the fucking cut. Slap. Alright, so as you guys, if you guys saw my last video, I did the Dsoar Hair unboxing. So here we go. Here they are. Again, they're a little shiny for my taste. They're about the same thickness, but again, it matches my real hair, but it doesn't match my dreads because they've been sun bleached over time. So right now, this is the installation video. I'm about to get this sectioned out and put these in. The only difference between, like I said, the only reason I'm getting these is because I want to grow out my real dreads on the side, but my hair is too short, and I don't want to wait another 8 months till these are like down to my down to my shoulder, and then get these done, and then these be like this long, because that'd be just weird. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the dread process by putting these in. And then as the new growth shows up, the new growth will dread. So by the time my hair is up to this long, I'll just cut them all to the same length again. And then it'll be 100% my real hair. But the reason I don't want to do this, because I look scruffy as hell, guys. Like, I'm sorry, but this looks bad. I don't want to be walking around looking like this. I want to, have my line, have my lineup, have my fresh fade. And it's like, I can't do that if I'm trying to grow out my hair to get dreads. And again, my thing is, I'm not trying to get a full head of dreads, and if I was, then I'll just grow it out. There's no point of having these extensions at all if I'm just trying to grow it out. But since I'm not trying to do that, and I'm trying to just get at least another line, like another 10 dreads, because that's what I ordered, another 10 dreads, then it's fine. Like, I want to do that and then see it, and then that way you guys learn from this for the people that actually don't want to get real dreads and don't want to deal with the real dreads. Because I'm going to show you guys how to install these and then keep track of it and make weekly update videos on them, as well as my maintenance and everything else with my actual dreads. So if you guys like that, dude, just put a like. Again, hit me up on Instagram, LilChubby42. I'm always answering questions about everything on there. If you got a question, answer it. I don't care if you're a dude, I don't care if you're a girl, I don't care if you're a dinosaur or whatever you sexually gender yourself as. I don't care. Just hit me up. I'm always down to answer questions. I don't care who it is. So I got that. Go watch that unboxing I just did a little bit ago. This video is probably going to go up on Friday. Today's Tuesday. I'm probably going to upload the unboxing on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. So stay tuned for Friday for the installation video. And if these aren't as thick as my dreads, because from the looks of it is some of my dreads are different thicknesses. So if you guys are wondering what the thicknesses is, these are pretty generally what my thickness is, and if they're not, then I'm just gonna add in more human hair, like actual hair. I'll just crochet it in to make it a little thicker. So that's not gonna be a big issue, and it's gonna be a big learning process for all of us. Guys, we're back. So my girlfriend just got done sectioning this. We got 10 sections, and I'm trying to like. So now I'm gonna show you guys how to, put it in. So. What's your hand in the video? You're not allowed. I'm just kidding.
Sure.
Alright. Alright, so I'll show you back with the first process of how to do this. Alright, guys, so pretty much you do, and I've done most of these. I've done 7, like literally under an hour. You pretty much just have to open the center up and then grab your little dread thing. Make sure you at least rip it in half. It doesn't have to be exactly in half, but just try to do it like the best you can. And then you grab the other one like this, so it's like in here. And you go like this, and just press it down to the bottom as you can. And you grab your rubber band, and then you tie the tip of your hair together like this. And I'm going to do 4 loops, just because the tighter the better. So it's 2, 3, and 4, and then you just try to move that rubber band all the way to the bottom as you can. So then you're getting something like that, and you grab a crochet hook. This is the one that came with the hair. Just kind of like squeeze it together as best as you can, and you just go in and out directly. And then you twist it as you're going, so that way you're getting all the sides. And you squeeze the hair a little so that way the crochet hook grabs onto it better. How's it looking, dude?
Looks good.
So, I can't really see what I'm doing because I'm trying to face the camera. But if I can feel it, it should look a lot better. How is that? And obviously they're long right now. I have to cut them. But it's like I can pull on these pretty fucking... I literally just installed this one and now I'm pulling on it.
Yeah.
And people are going to be like, oh, it's the rubber bands. I mean, it does help. But I mean, for the first... I want to say for the first like month or two, it's going to be like this. It's going to look like when you interlock. If you interlock your dreads, this is the exact same way the tips always look. So as of right now, like I'm pulling on these and they're not coming out. And I keep rubber bands in the center of my dreads to begin with, like even some of these. Just so it cleans up the root more. So to be honest, it doesn't really make a difference. The only color changes is because like the sun bleaching. But not, they feel pretty good quality. And like now that I have them in my head, like they don't feel any different than my actual hair does, and it's weird. It's just weird to feel like I have more hair.
Yeah.
So I'll show you guys once I'm done cutting them and they're all in and they're all the same length as my actual hair. So I swear to God, that dog is always crying about something. I swear. Alright, so what's going on, guys? I am back. This is what it looks like. Obviously, you can tell the difference between this and this because my hair is naturally sun bleached. It's actually been like 2 days since I did the video on installing them. I know it's kind of hard because of it was just a hard way to try to record it, especially because my my tripod broke not so long ago. But yeah, like I said, the only difference is my hair is naturally sun bleached, but at the root you can't tell a thing. Because my roots obviously haven't been out as long as the rest of my hair. So it's definitely cat approved. Cats love it. Right, Scrap? Alright. So now I'm down. I'm not down. I'm up to 22 dreads. And now I can get the fade inside in a couple days. By the time this video goes up, I probably already got a haircut. So, there you go. This video is probably going to be released Sunday, if not Monday. Oh, Jesus. There we go. And my dog's crying out there because he wants attention. Alright, so that's pretty much it. My girlfriend had to come in here and ruin the video.
I'm sorry.
Stop yelling at them. I'm trying to film a video here. God, I swear to God, no respect around here. Like I said, I'm up to 22 dreads. 12 on my original and 10 that I just put in. You can't really, I mean, you can tell right now because they're sticking out because obviously I just installed them. It'll take some time for me to, obviously as I shower, the hair will loosen and tighten and it will form more freely like my real dreads. So right now they're a little stiff and I'm going to wait at least a week or maybe even 2 weeks before I wash my hair so everything can set and stuff. Because I did crochet them in, so they're, you know, I can literally grab, this is one of the fake ones, and I'm fucking tugging on this. This is actually pretty hard. Here's another one. Ow. So they ain't coming off, and I don't wrap my hair at all when I sleep, so it'll just get frizzy like the rest of my hair, which I don't care. Oh yeah, they actually feel pretty good and look pretty good. Like I said, a lot of people were saying that maybe I should just dye my real dreads black again, but then I feel like that's not natural and I don't really give a flying fuck anyways. So here we go. This is what they look like. I'm gonna try to get the best angles possibly. Oh shit, there's stuff in. Well, If you guys like this, like I said, I'm gonna do weekly updates on this, for y'all to watch and look and stuff. And once I reach like a month or two, I'm just gonna start doing monthly updates on my dreads and my dread extensions. It'll be weird, but yeah, please like, comment, subscribe. Remember to follow me on the Instagram, Lil Chubby 402. You might as well just follow my girl too at Rodden Bunny RX.
No, all the vowels except for the O are X's, so the two E's.
So the two E's are X's.
I'm so dumb. I meant the U and Bunny.
The U in Bunny's an X.
It's weird. You might as well just.
You might as well just not follow her. Just Lil Chubby 42 and then at Cool Kid Edwin 1 on Snapchat.
You don't have me like on your Snapchat or Snapchat Instagram. I'm sorry, we're making this too complicated.
Just don't follow her. Now I gotta remake this video. Shit. Oh well, peace out. Stay tuned for whatever.